Hi, to clear browsing data on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, firstly open your default browser. In my case, it would be Google Chrome. And now in this upper panel, you would need to tap these three dots and go in the history section. And here you would see all of your history and visited sites. If you want to clear browsing data, you will need to select option to delete it and firstly select time range. So just tap this arrow and you'll be able to select any of these few options: last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. Let's select all time, and after that we can also select which items we want to clear: browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files, saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. I'm gonna leave this free one, and now to clear it up we just need to tap this button, delete data, and now we got no history. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.